Hey my lovely viewers, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Woodworking Unleashed, where we'll be sharing a treasure trove of techniques, tips, and inspirations that are sure to ignite your creativity and take your woodworking projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, we've got something special for everyone. Let's kick things off with a fantastic technique that will have you crafting like a pro in no time. Isn't that incredible? And guess what? That's just the beginning. We'll also be unveiling some insider tips that'll save you time, money, and frustration on your projects. Now, let's talk inspiration. We've curated a collection of awe-inspiring woodworking creations that will fuel your imagination and help you dream up your next masterpiece. I mean, how amazing is that? Seeing what's possible with a little creativity and some woodworking know-how is truly inspiring. But wait, we've got something extra special for you. If you're ready to take your woodworking skills to new heights, there's an incredible resource that you absolutely need to check out. Introducing Ted's Woodworking. It's your one-stop destination for thousands of woodworking plans, step-by-step instructions, and expert guidance. Whether you're crafting a small gift or tackling a big project, Ted's Woodworking has got you covered. And here's the best part. For a limited time, our viewers get an exclusive promotion. Click the link in the description below or in pinned comment to unlock a special discount on Ted's Woodworking and start your woodworking journey with confidence. So, there you have it, folks. Woodworking Unleashed is all about sharing the techniques, tips, and inspirations that empower every creator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting woodworking adventures. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and remember, with the right tools and a dash of inspiration, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching.